Hi guys, this is Jeff Jones, a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, I'm going to go over really quick, not a long video, but maybe a little teaser, why the Formuler GTV is my favorite media device out of all the others. Let's take a look together. Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to jump right into this video. If this is your first time on any of our platforms, I am so grateful for you to be here on this platform. We're going to take a look at this device. It's called the Formuler GTV. I've owned it for almost 2 years now, and I thought that Formula was going to make another GTV, but I think they went a different direction because this is a Google certified unit. So it's licensed by Google. It's licensed to have the Google platform on it, and it runs like no one's business. I recently have been doing videos about the other Formula device, the Z11 Pro Max, and I've loved that unit, but I have been in love with this Formula where it's very hard for me to let it go. Fun fact, the Formula GTV is the only device that Formula makes that only gives you the voice activated remote. All the rest of them have really great remotes, but they're not Bluetooth activated. Only the GTV. So let's jump into why, a couple of reasons, maybe 3 reasons why I love this Formula unit. Okay, so let's jump into reason number one. Reason number one that I love the Formula device, the personalization. What do I mean? I am a Google head. You don't have to be a Google head to set up this device. But a lot of my entertainment has my email or my Gmail connected to it. And I'm just going to go down the home page so you can see what I have on my unit. So right now I have, of course, the apps at the top, but then there's my YouTube. So it once you connect this, it'll connect, if you're Gmail, it'll connect your YouTube. So I have all the recommended things that I want on my YouTube there that I can watch at any time. As I go down, I do have ESPN Live, and so you'll see all of the ESPN. Go down again, I have this application that I like for my on demand. You'll see all the titles. I'm a TV show junkie. As you can see, there's not a lot of movies here. I love TV shows. I like binge watching TV shows, and that is a great application. Plex, which I just did a video, free application right there. That is another application, a fast application, fast channel. Tubi, another fast channel. These two here, look, I it turns your device into an entertainment center. There's really nothing that you can't watch. I mean, if I wanted to watch Spy, I just open that up and it's going to go right to Tubi, okay, which is absolutely free, okay, one of these free ad-supported television applications. So it's going to open right on up, and you'll see that it's going right to it. And we had a commercial break, and you can see what it's all about. It went right to the movie. So I'm going to go right back to the home page where we were, and it took me right back. Sorry about that interruption. So another thing here is you got Discovery Plus. This is one of the ones that I pay for the application. I like Discovery shows. I did a video where if you like some of these channels, we have to get away from saying things are free, 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 free. They're not always free. But I like Discovery Plus, and then it goes down to Google Play, which is good. Again, there's Plex, there's Sling for free. There's Peacock, another one that I pay for, which is awesome. And then, there's that one there. I use that application right there. And then, of course, there's my Spotify. So I like the way that if you use the GTV correctly, it will turn it into an entertainment center right on your home page. So I apologize for the interruption there. Someone came into the room and I had to take care of something. But I really like the fact that it turns it into an entertainment center. Okay, so that's the first thing. I like the personalization. Reason number two, I said it before, the Bluetooth remote. The Bluetooth remote, if we go over to apps here, you can see that on the Bluetooth remote, as I go to the apps, it has all the apps on top of what I put here, just the default application. And then you'll come here and you will see that it has this app right here. And so we use the GTV BT1. You can see that I am connected. I have the current firmware. My battery life is 96%. And it even knows my TV IR brand. In other words, I can control my TV also by using this remote. Okay, and I really like that. Another thing that I like is the personalization of the hotkeys. You'll see on the right hand side, the hotkeys are right here. So let me see if I can pull this up real fast. Here are the hotkeys. These color coded keys, you can set them up to do whatever you want. These keys down here, you can set them up as well. So let me take off the cursor here and show you what I'm talking about. So if I went and set up hotkeys and I clicked on that, now if I wanted to set up red, you'll see that I have the red app that would start my speed test. I have the green app that will start ESPN. I have the yellow app, the yellow button, sorry, not app, that will do Aerial Dream, and then I'll have the blue that does Discovery Plus. So let's go on to the home page here and I'll show you what I mean. And I'm going to hit the blue button here, all right? And because I hit the blue button, it's going to open up Discovery Plus. So not only in the first thing did I like the personalization, but this remote makes it so dang fun. Why? A stock Android device doesn't really have a relationship with the remote control. This device, the Formular, is an Android TV device. It's interacting with your remote control. So you not only have more control, but you have more personalization. That's cool. So the last thing before I close out the video, I'll make a more detailed video. The third and final thing for this video is the Google Play Store. Yeah. People are like, why would you like the Google Play Store? I mean, have you looked at the Google Play Store? It's made for Android TV, so it's not the full Google Play Store. But oh my goodness, there are plenty of things to have fun on this device, whether you want gaming, whether you want music and audio, video players, editors, tools. This GTV has the most updated Android TV Google Play Store out there. And the fact that you can go up to the top here, go over to the left, go down, press this, Disney Plus. Speaking into it, you can do it like that. You see what I'm saying? Downloader. What app do you want? Local news. Let me try one more. Local. Anything with local now, very local, Haystack News, live channels, free, 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 free. There are so many different things in the Google Play Store. This is, I don't know if I coined it, this is the best companion for any streaming device, is the Google Play Store. Because now anything in the Google Play Store works on Android devices and it works very, very well, because you have to meet some stipulations to be in the Google Play Store. With that said, I'm going to end the video on that. Those are some of the three top reasons I like this device more than anything else. And let me show you the reason why. When you purchase this, I call it the Easy Box on my theboxman.com website. You'll notice that the Easy Box is the GTV. So the GTV you will get from us, you would get 2 sets of internet streaming services and all that good stuff. And it's just a lot of fun. And last but not least, I guess the bonus is my TV Online too. When you have My TV Online 2 and you have an internet TV, you have all of these different channels that are available to you that you can just go right on down, and My TV Online 2 will give you the best of your live TV, whether it be no matter where you are. I mean, you could go all the way down, and as long as you have access to this, it will play it very well. So let me go ahead and close out the video. I invite you to do a little bit more research as we go in. And I'm going to put in the description a keyword for you to text to. I'm going to be giving one free GTV at the end of February. So go ahead and make sure you follow the instructions and send in the keyword, text in the keyword, and when you see it on the screen or see it in the description of the video, and you'll be able to possibly win a free GTV. We gave a free Z11 Pro Max away last month. We're going to give away a box every single month. With that said, if you're interested in this, make sure you just touch base with us. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.